Morning! It is moving day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and as I promised, you have a moving vlog. We are moving into our new home. I'm so excited to be here. We have spent a late night and early morning packing up the truck. It's actually a van, as you can see. We've got a ton of stuff here. This is our second load already. My husband did a full load yesterday by himself. I don't know how he did that. And we're going to have probably a couple more later today. If you've ever moved before, you're probably like, how on earth have I accumulated so many things? And it's only when you really start packing it into a truck or a van that you start to realize, wow, I have a lot of things. But anyways, I'm really excited to be here. I'm going to share with you part of our moving journey. Let's get to it. So first out of the truck, very importantly, as you can see here, I got my fig tree. I absolutely love this tree. It's been producing really well this year, and at the moment it's just still sort of growing again. So this one will be ready to go, no time at all. And then my sister also got me this one. So it's a beautiful lemon tree, and I can't wait for it to start growing and producing lemons as well. I'm super excited. I absolutely love trees and plants, so I had to bring them with us, of course. It's a little bit fresh up here this morning. We're up in the mountains. We've just bought a house in the mountains, so I'm so excited because we lived overseas in Canada for 3 years and fell in love with the cooler weather. So this is making us so excited to be here. Got my little jumper on and I'm ready to move in. I cannot wait to show you the new kitchen. This will be where we'll be filming all of the Le Bon episodes, so I can show you around in just a minute. We have just received our keys yesterday from our real estate agent. They were so nice. They also got us a really nice gift box and a bottle of Moe and some nuts, which is awesome. So we've got our keys here and it's time to let ourselves into the house. Let's go. Bon Bakers, what do you think? This is my new kitchen. How awesome. So this one has the beautiful woods and whites, which I absolutely love. I'm really excited to get this set up for filming. Obviously, it's just a bit of an empty shell right now. And I'm just trying to figure out where to put everything. So we actually don't have a pantry as such, so I'm gonna have to figure out where I put my equipment, where I put my baking stuff, my cooking stuff, and then also some food as well for storage. So there is still a lot of cupboard space here. And around here, this one is like a little corner one and it opens out like that. So that's cool. And then we have a tiny little oven here, which I'm really excited to use. And I'll be doing all of my baking in here. I've also just got, my husband and I just bought a Weber barbecue, and I'm super excited to use that because they have all these amazing recipes, and one of them is brownies, and I can't wait to cook brownies on the barbecue. So that'll be coming up soon for sure. And if there's any barbecue recipes that you want to learn, make sure that you let me know as well. Got some Smeg products here, which is awesome because I'm obsessed with the retro style. So I can't wait to put these out, and I'll be doing a bit of a review on them down the track. And then yeah, I'm just trying to let in some natural light, open up some windows, and I think it's time to start moving some stuff in. Everything is pretty heavy, so gonna be getting a good workout today. And gotta watch your step. Ooh. Easy does it. So much kitchen stuff. It's actually outrageous how much that I have accumulated over the years. All of my baking things. I got cake boards. I've got, look at the size of this tin. Like, look at that, that's massive. I mean, I've got Halloween cookie cutters. It's a lot. It is 11:30 and it's time for a quick coffee break, and we've also got some donuts here and we had to rally up the troops, so I brought in my sister Ash. My little 20. Not actually, she's 7 years younger than me. But everyone always gets us mistaken, which I think is hilarious. But yeah, we're gonna have a quick coffee break and keep cleaning. We're starting with the kitchen, trying to get everything set up and just cleaning, and then yeah, we'll
move in. The house is so beautiful. Obsessed with the garden.
Yum. We found a really cute little Cinnabon cafe that does hot donuts and Cinnabons. We went with hot donuts, and I've got a soy flat white, and so do you. Good morning, Bond Bakers, and welcome back to day 2 of moving. As you can see, looks like a bit of a bomb went off in here. That's because we've just had some breakfast and I've been placing different things in and around the kitchen. It still needs a lot of work, but that's okay. I've got today and tomorrow to try and sort it out. So I'll just give you a little show around and let you know what I've done. So we've just got this placeholder at the moment for the fridge. I think I spoke about that yesterday. We've just got our other one coming soon, so that one will be good for now. And then I've got all of our crystals and glasswares up here, up the top, so nice and out of the way. And then this cupboard here has plates and mugs and all that kind of stuff. And then this one here is a bit of a pantry. So this one still needs a bit of work. That one's just got some oils and stuff like that. And then this one down here, it looks really messy, but you can have a look if you want. I've just got some Tupperware and then some cooking equipment down here, and then over in the corner is all of my baking stuff. And I think I'm missing some stuff, so I need to try and hunt that down and find it. Then over here is just pantry, and then in here is just some cleaning bits and bobs. And yeah, I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do because I've got my KitchenAid over in the corner, which I like this spot, but it's not connected to an electricity point. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do there. And yeah, that's the kitchen so far. So hopefully next time you see it, it will be lovely for my next video. This is where we had to camp for the night. It's a pretty good setup right in front of the fireplace. But we actually were really lucky and got to inherit some furniture when we did the move. So we've got to sell off some of that before we can move in some of the newer stuff. So that's why we don't have room in the actual bedroom at the moment for the mattress. And this is Auburn, teddy bear. And yeah. So much stuff. It is day 3 of moving, and we had to give back the van because we can't keep it forever. So we're just doing laps in our car now, and I think this is lap number 4 or 5 maybe, and I think that's it now. So it's time to just bring it all in and get it all set up. It's gonna look like a bit of a bomb inside for a couple of weeks, but that's okay as long as we've got it all here. Guys, guess what? There is a little kookaburra that has paid us a visit. I want to show you. They're so beautiful. It's very Australian. I want to try not scare it away. It's out on the veranda. So come this way, quick. Hello. Hello. Hey. Come check this out. His little friend. I've spotted him in the tree. Kookaburras everywhere. Oh, there's another 2 over there. Welcome to the study. This is where I'm going to be doing my vlogs from moving forward, and I've still got to set up my desk and I can't wait to show you the color. I'm going to do a reveal of that in just a second. It's a unique color, and if you want to have a guess of what color you think I went for, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I want to hear what you think. So I'll show you that in just a second, but for the meantime, I wanted to show you the desk that my husband has got as well. We had to get his set up first because this video needs to be edited to go up on YouTube this week. And I got the same desk but in a different color, so have a guess. So as you can see, there's stuff everywhere on the floor, all of the boxes, and it's a little bit messy. That's all good. This is my desk right here, and the room has really nice natural light. It's upstairs, which is fantastic. And then over here is my husband's desk, and as you can see, it has a very nice window and outlook. So we'll both be in this room together. It's a massive, nice desk. He does video production and editing, so it needs a lot of space for monitors and whatnot. We went with the Desky desk. I've never had one of these before, but apparently they've got really good reviews, and they sit stand, which is fantastic. So it's gonna really help with our posture and our back, because I get a really sore back when I sit for too long. Here's the big girl. Just gonna move it out so I've got a bit of space to open it up. Ooh, so heavy. Ugh. That'll do it. Ready? Any final guesses before I do the reveal? Speak now or forever hold your peace. You! It's pink, baby! It's so pretty! Oh, so gorgeous! I love it. It's a really soft pink, absolutely stunning. I can't wait to set this up. All right, well, I think that this is a job for another day because I'm getting pretty tired and I still want to go for an afternoon walk, so I'm going to do that to finish off the weekend. Thank you so much for joining me on my moving weekend. I hope that you had a little glimpse into what's been going on and how I've set up the kitchen and how I'm going to set up the study, which I can't wait to share with you for my vlogs that you'll get to see in a couple of weeks' time. But for now, it's time to do a walk and have a champagne. So I'll see you again next week for another video. And new recipes coming again soon. Bye!
Go. Push the left first, your left first.
No, I don't think it's in right. Hold on. I think it's kind of locked.